Hi, this is Mantasha, and today we are going to learn English with a YouTuber called Vanessa. I love watching her videos because I'm fond of her smile. Every now and then she laughs. It is so impressive, and the way she teaches is so good, so easy, impressive. And second thing is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT asked me 5 questions. I'm not going to do a live chat with it, but I have 5 questions I'm going to answer here. I did not prepare anything. Let's see how many mistakes I'll make and what kind of sentence structure I'll make because still I don't use however, I don't use until unless in a good manner like conjunction. Conjunctions are so good to use in conversation. It beautify your sentences, but still I'm totally unable to use in my conversation. But let's see if I do practice. So will I use in my conversation or not? So without wasting time, let's get started. I have 5 questions. Question number 1 is I don't have any answer here. I have only 5 questions. So the question number 1 is what's one English word you always spell wrong no matter how many times you learn it? So the word is occurrence. I don't know even if I'm spell here right or wrong. I feel that I always pronounce wrong this word. There are many words that I pronounce wrong. uh, doesn't matter how many times I do practice, doesn't matter how many times I check on Google. The one word is the another word is live or maybe live. I always get confused with this word, but it asks me only one word, so that word would be occurrence. But I don't feel shame to spell this word because many people are like me, those who spell wrong words. So I am one of them. I don't ashamed of myself that I'm making mistake here. Okay. Question number 2 is what's the most embarrassing mistake you have made while speaking English in front of others? First of all, I would like to tell you that I don't embarrass myself that I'm speaking wrong because I'm from a Hindi medium background. I don't have English education. I was from Hindi medium school. In my family, nobody speak English. Even in my whole circle, the places I used to go, nobody used to speak English very good. But the way I speak English and today wherever I am now, what I've done in my past, so I'm proud of myself. If I spell wrong, if I make wrong sentences, wrong structure, I don't embarrass myself. But the thing, I feel low whenever I do practice, whenever like the conjunction thing, when I do practice a lot, sometimes I learn 10 conjunctions, especially conjunctions. When I learn 10 conjunction and use in my sentences, but whenever it comes to in conversation to write, if I am unable to use in my conversation and in writing session, that time I feel embarrassed. That time I feel low. Okay. Question number 3 is do you understand English perfectly when you read it, but freeze when you have to speak it? I don't freeze, I would say, but yeah, I understand English while reading, watching. Um, every extent I can understand. There is no lot of um, I could say it does not take a lot of use of mind to understand English now. But when it comes to like speak on a stage, I could say that I freeze, yeah. But with one-to-one person, I don't freeze, even if I know that I'm making wrong structure or I am spelling the wrong word, but I speak. This type of confidence I have now that anyhow with uh, right clause, with wrong clause, I'll add and I'll just present the thing I want to speak. Yeah, this is. Next question is which English movie or show did you watch so many times just to improve your English? I would like to say that there is no movie, no English show that I repeated because of English to learn English. But I would like to tell you that I enjoy watching movies and web series. Every now and then, when I want to make myself feel good, I watch movie, I watch web series. But according to the question, there is one web series that is All of Us Are Dead. This is in my favorite list, and I started this web series to improve my English language. But I got interest in it, and now I'm waiting for the season two. And I've planned when the season two release, I'll watch it again the season one, then I'll start the season two. Next question is, what's that one English phrase you memorize but still don't fully understand the meaning of? That is given. Actually, this is very easy phrase. It is totally opposite of give up. We easily say that I give up on this thing, that thing, and every now and then we heard on phone and we read in our books. But this phrase given is very easy but very hard to use in conversation. It is similar with give up, and I don't know why I feel so uncomfortable with this phrase. So this is all our five questions. Let's move ahead on our English with Vanessa. Like, I have another five phrases, and these phrases I'll tell you meaning. But in English, this is one thing that I am improving these days. That I don't learn the meaning of the words and phrases in Hindi. I try to learn in English, and then I'll make some sentences. Without wasting time, let's get started. But I'm not cheating. I don't know if it is visible or not, but I'm not cheating. Okay. So phrase number one is boost your immune system. It means to strengthen the body ability to fight illness. And the sentences would be, I drink detox water to boost my immune system. Second one would be, she tried to boost her immune system by exercising daily. Number two is to be picky about something. It means very selective. I'm very picky watching to watch movies. And another sentence would be, she is very picky eating outside food. Okay, number three is when possible. It means whenever it can be done. Okay, and the sentences would be, when possible, she tries to avoid going outside. And second one, when possible, I do shadow practice. Next one is to run out of space. Okay, my phone ran out of my phone ran out of space because of too many photos. Number two is, um, my bag ran out of space because I packed a lot of things. Number five is to give in, means to stop resisting. To stop resisting. Let's make sentences. I don't like pasta, but my cousins wanted it, so I gave in. Next is, she did not want to go to London, but her family is moving there, so she gave in. So that's how I learned my five phrases with Vanessa. These are the five phrases: boost your immune system, to be picky about something, when possible, to run out of space, to give in. Last five I've learned, and I'm trying to use in my conversation. First, I'm trying to write in my diary with the story. So this is all about today. If you have learned anything, just like, share, and subscribe.